Thank you guys for tuning in to Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to go over a variation that can be played in Bhangra and in Dhamaal. If you guys have been following the Dhol Playground videos, I've been teaching my students a set that I performed back in 2007. So it's a 4-part series, and they're still working on part 2, so hence why I haven't posted that yet. Part 1 was Tumor related, part 2 is going to be Dhamaal and Dhamaal variations, and parts 3 and 4 is going to be GeGe and it's going to be GeGe variations. What I'm going to show you in this video lesson is the main beat that's played in part 2 of that 4-part series. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the beat for you. First I'm going to play it in Dhamaal, then I'm going to show you what it sounds like in Bhangra, and then we'll break down the beat from there. The bowls for this variation are as follows. Da, da na ge ge na na, da na ge ge na. Again, that is da, da na ge ge na na, da na ge ge na. And it's played like this. The following is a clip of me teaching my students how to play this exact beat. Faster. Next, before we conclude this video, is I'm going to play this for you starting off very slowly, and then we're going to work up to a working speed. What I want you guys to do is to follow along, whether it's on your legs or whether you have a dhol in front of you, and when you guys have that mastered, you'll be ready for part 2. Before I let you guys go, if you guys find these video lessons useful, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, as always.